The last analytical technique we're going to look at for this lab assignment is the hotspot analysis. This is an intro course, so we aren't going to go into a lot of detail on this tool. For now, just know that this tool will examine your data and find areas that seem to be exceptionally hot hotspots and exceptionally cold spots by comparing the number of deaths at any point to what you would expect to find based on random chance. In our case, we only have locations marked with cholera deaths, so we would not expect to have any cold spots. This tool is used with a lot of crime analysis and epidemiology research. Within ArcGIS Online, turn off the kernel density layer, turn on the original deaths point layer. Head back to the Analysis tab, Analyze Patterns, and find Hotspots. Step 1, our input layer, will be our cholera deaths point layer. Instead of points, we want the deaths column. We'll skip step 3, but between 3 and 4, there's an option here. And we want to change that to 300 feet. And what this distance band does for this particular tool is it means for any point on your map, so any location where there are deaths, the tool will only look within 300 feet of that when looking for other hot spots or cold spots. Choosing that distance span will actually make the tool run much faster. So instead of having to compare every point to every other point on the map, we're limiting that, and it really reduces the processing time. All right, in the last step, step 4, change the name to Hotspot Analysis Cholera Deaths, your initials. Uncheck Use Current Map Extent, record the number of credits in your lab report, and then run the analysis. Wait for the tool to finish processing. Turn off the original cholera deaths point layer and open the legend for the new hotspot layer. Based on the legend, what does a concentration of red dots symbolize? Be sure to save your map. Make sure that the only 2 layers turned on are the original cholera map and the hotspot analysis layer. Take your last screenshot and add it to your lab report. For the last time this lab, I want you to look at the data as it's visible on your map and ask yourself, does the hotspot analysis make it easier to understand or explain the cholera death trends in your data?